Have you ever wondered when the concept of thinking machines first came into existence? Well, let's embark on a journey through time, tracing the origins of what we now know as artificial intelligence. The concept of artificial intelligence is not a product of the digital age. In fact, its roots can be traced back to the ancients. The Greeks, for instance, had myths about mechanical men. Hephaestus, the god of blacksmiths and craftsmen, was said to have created automatons to assist in his workshop. These stories, while mythical, represent the first human dreams of creating intelligent machines. Fast forward to the 17th and 18th centuries, during the era of reason and enlightenment. Philosophers and mathematicians like René Descartes and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz began to ponder the nature of human cognition, laying the groundwork for the development of formal logic and binary arithmetic, the foundation stones of modern computing. The true dawn of artificial intelligence, however, would not come until the 20th century. During World War II, the world saw the introduction of programmable digital computers. They were initially used for code breaking, but their potential for much more was quickly recognized. These machines represented the first practical realization of the dream of intelligent machines. One of the key figures who transformed this dream into reality was British mathematician and logician Alan Turing. He proposed the idea of a universal machine that could simulate the logic of any computer algorithm. This concept, now known as the Turing machine, became the fundamental building block of modern computers and set the stage for the development of artificial intelligence. As the world emerged from the ashes of war, the stage was set for a new era of technological advancement. The seeds of artificial intelligence had been planted, and the conditions were ripe for them to flourish. The world was on the brink of a revolution that would redefine the boundaries of what machines could achieve. And so the stage was set for the birth of artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956, but what led to this landmark moment? In the mid-20th century, a group of brilliant minds congregated in the idyllic setting of Dartmouth College, New Hampshire, for an event that would change the course of technology forever. The Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, held in 1956, was a meeting of minds like no other. Over 8 long weeks, intellectuals from various disciplines worked tirelessly to explore the concept of intelligent machines. These were not just any machines. They were envisioned to use language, form abstractions, solve problems, and improve themselves, tasks until then considered the exclusive domain of human intellect. The project was spearheaded by John McCarthy, a young assistant mathematics professor at Dartmouth. McCarthy, alongside Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, penned the proposal that led to this groundbreaking gathering. Their objective was ambitious and clear. They wanted to find out how to make machines use language and learn from experience. The outcomes of the project were mixed but undeniably influential. While the participants didn't achieve their initial goal of creating a fully intelligent machine during the summer, they did lay the groundwork for many important areas of AI research. They addressed topics like natural language processing, problem solving, learning, and perception, and even touched upon the idea of computers playing games, a concept that would later evolve into the field of reinforcement learning. One of the most significant outcomes was the coinage of the term artificial intelligence by McCarthy. It shifted the focus from creating automated or mechanical devices to creating intelligent machines, a subtle but crucial difference that established a new paradigm in the world of technology. The Dartmouth Conference didn't produce an intelligent machine, but it did something arguably more important. It brought together a community of scholars who would go on to become the pioneers of AI, and it sparked a revolution that would reach far beyond the walls of that single conference room. This conference sowed the seeds of what we now know as artificial intelligence. But the journey of AI wasn't always smooth, was it? As we journey through the timeline of artificial intelligence, we hit a chilling phase known as the AI winter. This was a period of reduced funding and interest in AI research, a stark contrast to the excitement and enthusiasm that marked its birth. So what led to this cold snap? Well, The AI winter was largely due to unmet expectations. Early pioneers had made bold predictions about what AI would achieve, but when these didn't materialize as quickly as hoped, disillusionment set in. This, coupled with an economic downturn, resulted in a significant drop in investment and interest in AI research. However, it wasn't just about the money. The technological limitations of the time also played a part. The hardware and algorithms available then weren't sophisticated enough to fulfill the grand visions of AI's potential. The AI winter was a period of disillusionment, but as we know, spring always follows winter. Just when it seemed like AI was a thing of the past, a new era dawned. It was in the late 90s and the early 2000s that AI began to re-emerge from the shadows. This resurgence was fueled by a couple of game-changing factors: an exponential increase in computational power and a sheer abundance of data. So what was going on? Well, computers were becoming faster, more powerful, and more affordable. This meant that complex calculations that were previously time-consuming or impossible were suddenly within reach. At the same time, the internet was expanding rapidly, and with it came a treasure trove of data. This data was the raw material that AI needed to learn, grow, and improve. But it wasn't just about having more power and more data. The field of AI was also evolving in exciting new directions. One of these was machine learning, a subset of AI that involves teaching computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. The idea was simple, yet profound. Instead of programming computers to do specific tasks, why not train them to learn for themselves? This led to the development of deep learning, a more complex form of machine learning inspired by the human brain's own neural networks. With deep learning, computers could process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with a level of accuracy that was previously unthinkable. Suddenly, AI wasn't just about mimicking human intelligence, it was about surpassing it. From recognizing speech and images to diagnosing diseases and driving cars, AI was starting to do things that were once the exclusive domain of humans. And it wasn't just doing these things, it was doing them faster, more accurately, and on a scale that humans could never achieve. All of these developments set the stage for a new era, an era in which AI wasn't just a scientific curiosity, but a transformative technology that was starting to reshape every aspect of our lives. This marked the beginning of the AI revolution we're experiencing today. So where are we today in the journey of AI, and where are we headed? The narrative of AI has been one of spectacular progress. Today, AI has its fingerprints on nearly every aspect of our lives. It's the brain behind your voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, helping you find the nearest pizza place or reminding you of your next meeting. It's powering recommendation engines that suggest what movie to watch next on Netflix or what product to buy on Amazon. It's the driving force behind autonomous vehicles, navigating through traffic and making split-second decisions that can save lives. But as much as AI has changed our world today, it's just the tip of the iceberg. The future of AI holds even more promise. The next frontier is AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. This is an AI that isn't just good at one thing, like playing chess or recognizing faces. Instead, AGI would have the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human can. AGI could revolutionize everything from scientific research to healthcare. Imagine an AI that can not only diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, but also invent new drugs to treat them. Or an AI that can solve complex environmental problems like climate change by analyzing vast amounts of data and proposing innovative solutions. However, the path to AGI is not without its challenges. There are technical hurdles to overcome, ethical questions to answer, and societal impacts to consider. It's a journey that requires the collaboration of computer scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and all of us as a society. There's no doubt that AI has come a long way since its humble beginnings. Its future is bursting with potential, but it's also fraught with complexity. As we venture into this new era, we must navigate with caution, but also with a sense of optimism and curiosity. The future of AI is full of possibilities and challenges, and we're all part of this exciting journey. So what did we learn today about the fascinating world of artificial intelligence? We've journeyed together through the annals of artificial intelligence, tracing its humble beginnings when it was merely an idea, a glimmer in the eyes of visionaries. We've seen it grow from seed to sapling during its birth, and we've weathered the harsh AI winter when progress seemed to stall and the excitement turned into disillusionment. But like a phoenix, AI rose from the ashes, ushering in a renaissance that transformed it from a theoretical concept into a practical tool. Today, we stand at the precipice of a new era, where AI is not just a part of our daily lives, but a driving force shaping our future. Yet, it's crucial to remember that in the grand story of artificial intelligence, we're just at the beginning. The road ahead is filled with endless possibilities, and the best is yet